Hi, I'm Justin with Wurdinger Manufacturing. We're in Silverton, Oregon here, and we build nursery equipment for local nurseries. We primarily focus on conveyor systems and potting machines. We also build soil mixing lines. We've been working with WorldWide for I think 15 or 20 years probably. We've used multiple manufacturers, but we found that the cost to quality benefit that we get from WorldWide suits our customers better. Behind me, I have an inline potting machine. We use the aluminum gearboxes and motors to drive the conveyor belts as well as soil return augers and top leveling augers. Our conveyors are typically a 60-to-1 gear ratio with a 1 horse or 2 horsepower depending on the load. We use faster gearboxes for some of the things like the soil returns. So we have a range anywhere from 10-to-1 all the way up to 100-to-1. The aluminum gearboxes are a great value for the horsepowers and the gearing ranges that we need. We get great lifespan out of the motors and gearboxes that we use here.